It's a videotape presentation of the Bridgeport Easy Path. Just going to go ahead and run it through its paces.
Waiting for the spindle.
Can we stop the spindle and then just move the rails a little bit? And we're just going to jog it around a little bit without the spindle on. Just take a quick walk around the machine real quick. This is the crate of all the tooling and the manuals and everything that's coming with, all ready to go. We have the covers off in the back so you can get a look in the back side of it. This is a 240 3-phase, 30 amps. Take a quick look on the inside here. Go ahead and pop down here and get the serial number. Serial number is 002-078973-325. And we have the side cover off so you can take a look here as well. Thing looks like it's in nice condition there. And this concludes the videotape presentation of the Bridgeport Easy Path.